Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Toski. You're watching my hack. So in today's vlog, this Rynox Navigator sling package I've ordered. In fact, it was gifted to me. So yeah, I'm very excited to unbox it, and that's the reason why I just want to share the unboxing video with you all. So in case of anyone of you all who are willing to travel short trips like me, so it will help you all. So this is how it comes. I have just opened it, but then I just thought that why not share it with you all. So that's this unboxing. Okay, let's see. I actually opened it up, but I didn't open it. So this is how it is. The branding of Rynox out here. A lot of labels printed, and then you have a branding of Rynox. It's nice, cute, sort of small manga that's certain. Okay, so let's start right in front. How does the something out here? This is my receipt. Put it back in. So I believe you can keep your phone out here and cover it. Then you also have this small sort of side zips. You can put in your glare, or you can even keep your phone here as well. Depends on what things you want to keep. So we can keep small things up now. Glares I think you can fit in. Okay. Or your wallet. You can keep your wallet. There is one more thing down here. Alright, so let's go to your documents. You can put the documents in here. So you can put in your documents. The documents can fit in. Whatever. That's what. Somewhat like this at the back, and like this is, we have the magnets out here. And the third one is here. Right, this will go and leave it nice and good. Quality is nice. See what's in the main zip here. Okay, so there are two zips. Alright. You can keep your keychain out here. You can keep your keychain out here. Here also there is something like this. You can keep something out here. Here are the keychain holders. Pen you can put. You can keep a pen. I'm just informing you that all of you when you have your net out. Okay, so you keep some memory cards out here. You are carrying your camera. Oh wow. This is a good thing I've given me. This is a cover, a rain cover. Just to cover this into this. Roughly showing it to us. Quite a amount of space here. That is it. And yeah, got this. This is like, we can use this like this. Alright. You can wear it like a sling bag. quickly a quick demonstration of how this tank bag is. I've kept my phone out here. Okay, you can keep it whatever you want, but I've just kept my phone out here for navigation. Opened it up. There is a tripod, so I can fit in one tripod. I have my DSLR camera out here with the body. I have my vlogging camera, the Nikon, and then I have my GoPro, and I have two lenses, so you can easily fit in two camera lenses, two bodies. You still have good amount of space here, so it's quite handy to keep your camera gears in this, and whenever you need it, you can quickly promote out and start vlogging. Hi guys, so yes, coming to the cost of this bag, that was around 2 grand. I'll put the link in the description if you want to just go and check it. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe to the channel for videos on bike rides and travel. As I've got this now, I'll be planning a lot of bike rides going forward, so I'm very excited. I just wanted to share this video with you all because I know many of you all might be planning to go out for rides, and this is a very helpful sort of gear that you need to have, the Rynox tank bag. Anything related to the tank bag, you can just ask me in your comment section. That's it from my end, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you all soon in the next vlog. Take care.